Happening now, a murder investigation after a multi-state Amber Alert for a 10-year-old girl. But first, we begin with an update to breaking news. Investigators searching for 3 teenagers right now suspected of setting this North Tulsa church on fire.
2 News reporter Liz Bryant found church members think they already know who did this.
Many burnt pieces of wood inside Bowen Indian Baptist Church. I just spoke with a firefighter who says right now they're babysitting this scene because they're afraid pieces like this inside the church that are smoldering will flare back up. Now I want to show you right behind me in that white door is where a neighbor says she saw 3 teens run away from when this fire started. As smoke and flames shoot from the roof, it puts in perspective just how high the Bowen Indian Baptist Church climbed to now fall.
We had quite a few members at one time, and when the church caught on fire the first time due to arson, most of them just left.
Left after a week of tribulation in 2009, says Terry Dick. One day, intruders stole items. A week later, set the church on fire. It's now abandoned. This month, members chained the church's front door twice and barred all other doors.
It's just overwhelming right now to see what's happening and know that we've done everything that we possibly can.
Terry believes it's too late. Gang members already made their mark here, including on the sign out front. A historic North Tulsa church with a foundation that still stands, but a center you can see right through.
So thankful for our firefighters. They do such a tremendous job and so often, don't receive the thanks and the appreciation that they deserve.
Deserving because of the danger here. Take a look at the roof now. The firefighters had to pull out at one point because of fear of the roof that would collapse. Now coming up at 6, we'll show you how this land could be used to help others in the future. Live, Liz Bryant, 2 News works for you.